Today's menu is eggplant and chicken miso soup. Remove the stems of an eggplant. Cut off the tip of an eggplant. Cut a few thin pieces. Cut in half lengthwise. Cut into chunks. Cut off the ends of the onion. Peel. Cut onion into wedges. Scallion. Cut into small pieces. Remove skin from chicken thigh. Cut off excess fat as well. Cut in half lengthwise. Cut into bite-sized pieces. One tablespoon oil. Stir fry chicken over medium heat. Add onion. Add eggplant. Water 450 cc. Hondashi 1½ teaspoon. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Turn off heat before adding miso. Miso. Dissolve 1½ tablespoon miso. Boiling miso soup will remove the aroma and flavor of the miso and reduce the taste. Tasting. If the taste is too weak, add more miso. If the taste is too strong, add water. Don't boil even if reheating.